Good morning, everybody. It is a thunderous Thursday as we start our lesson today. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell, and as always make sure that you read your directions. So what we are doing right now is we are going to go over our practice problems today. Now, the biggest issue that I saw all day is because I did not put the little blanks for you to write the x1, y1, x2, y2 like we had yesterday. Okay, I took those away. And then I gave you this, and I was like, maybe we'll be okay. Because they're supposed to use their notes from yesterday. But that didn't happen. All right, so can't have nothing. I'm publicly shaming a bunch of you. I'm just not naming names. All right, good. You should feel targeted right now because you consistently do stuff not correct. So until you learn how to adhere, you're going to be targeted. All right. Now, so these are labeled as you read them. It even has it right here like we did in class. This is our X1, this is our Y1. So this goes here, this goes here. This is our X2, this is our Y2. Oh, that means it's the second one? Yes. Aha! Now, remember, we had to be careful about how we entered stuff in the calculator. I had a calculator somewhere. Where did it go? All right. And what we're going to do is put it in correctly. Just like I'm doing it. Did that just... Okay. Just like I'm doing it. So we know what's going on. Why is this being this way today? Okay, good. All right. Now. Oh, cheese and crackers all today. All right, so second x squared for the square root, parenthesis. -5. Remember, there is a difference between a minus and a negative. Okay, plus -1 minus -2 parentheses squared. All right, so for the people that has this type of calculator, you got the square root of 26. Okay. The decimal answer that I will also accept. And if you ever want to know how to get to the decimal answer from here, no, I don't want that. I just want you to move. All right, you hit the double arrows. Not that. Well, you're supposed to. Second square root, what was it? 20, what? 26. The double arrows. There we go. 5.099. So 5.099. Round the nearest hundredth. That moves this up. This actually moves up everything. You would have got 5.10. Okay? Now, once you remember where stuff goes, these formulas are easy. When you forget where stuff goes, things, are difficult. Just kind of like when I try to load the dishwasher, my wife comes in behind me and tells me I don't know how to load the dishwasher. She doesn't realize I'm trying to do that to never load the dishwasher again, but she hasn't picked up on that. All right. Y'all use that tactic? Okay, no. So, remember, x1, y1. Does not go there. It's weird. Yes, the first coordinates go in the slowly down. Second spot. All right. Okay. So okay. Almost got it. It's like trying to defuse a bomb. You just easy. Oh, too much. There we go. All right. So second, square root, parenthesis, 9 minus 3, close it, square it, plus 10 minus 8, close it, square it. All right, 2 root 10. Or, let's see, 6.324. 6.234. This ends up being 6.23. Okay? Yes?
So, I'm getting the same answer, but I'm putting the numbers in different places. And I don't know how I'm getting the same.
We'll have to look at that later. Okay. When I say we'll have to look at it later, is I'll have to look to see if the order actually does matter on this. Okay? Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I was trying to be a traditional teacher, but we'll see. All right. I know it doesn't matter when we do it with slope, but we're not there for slope yet. So I'll dig into it later. I've got some time, like before I go to sleep tonight. Oh, wow. So we just totally messed up all that. I didn't. What did I not do? I didn't put a negative right there. Womp womp. Oh my gosh. And I'm trying to use this because I have sausage link fingers, and when I go to push some of these buttons, there's like 4 of them that goes down. Thank you for the chuckle. All right, square root of 13, 3.605. And this would be 3.61. Okay, now, how did I know to round to the 100th on these problems if I didn't get the square root thing? Where was that information? In the directions. Yes, the bold, underlined stuff. Okay? Some of y'all are trying to Marco Polo your math where you just do it blind without any direction. Okay, yes, that was a real person that he did actually try to sell blind. He would blindfold himself. Okay, all right. Are we good on 1 through 3? All right. Now, -1, -6. Five. Wait, what am I doing? There. Okay. -6. Aha! There we go. That's more better. All right. -1 minus plus -6 2. All right. So we got -7.2 or -3.5. 6 plus 5. Alright, negative 1/2. Alright, so did it this way or negative 3.5, negative 0.5. Okay. Lots of negatives. Do. Alright, so this is negative 602, negative 3. Right. And I just made it materialize. Thick Devon. Probably because I was adding the 4 and the 2 in my head to get to the answer. So did y'all get negative 3,3? Okay. Woo! The peasants rejoice. Yay! Now, so now what we've covered so far is on the check on learning. The next problem is not on the check on learning because I did not want to put so much ibuprofen in my body to deal with the headaches it's going to cause later. Okay? So, alright. The directions says find the other endpoint of the line segment given the endpoint and the midpoint. Okay? So, this is the midpoint. This is my X and this is why my so this 5 would go here, this 1 would go here. This 2 would go here, this 5 would go here. Now I can solve. Okay? All this is being divided by 2, so I multiply by 2. And then I would subtract. So I would get 8 for my answer right there for X. Same process, just different numbers. Over here. Alright. Bing, bang, boom. And that's it. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Remember, details matter and follow directions. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.